Hey everyone, what's up music lovers and techie friends? Today we are checking out the JBL Soundgear Sense earbuds. Let me tell you, these are gonna be your new best friends when it comes to the amazing sound.
First off, they look awesome, available in black and white for just under $150 and with a killer 4.8 star rating. What's not to love? Plus, they are not your typical earbuds. These are open ear headphones with a comfy neckband, perfect for jamming out and taking calls. Seriously, comfort is key with these. Thanks to JBL's open sound technology, they feel like wearing your favorite pajamas. You can wear them all day long, no problem. And guess what? They are tough too. They have an IP54 rating, which means they can handle sweat, rain, anything you throw at them. Hitting the gym, going for a hike, no worries. Want to feel like a DJ? These have customizable touch controls through the My JBL headphones app. Plus, the 4 mics pick up your voice crystal clear, even on a windy day. Tech-wise, they are superstars. Bluetooth 5.3, big 16.2mm drivers, and that 32 ohms impedance. These earbuds are the real deal. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your audio experience with the JBL Sound Gear Sense. Your ears will thank you. Grab yours now and let the music magic happen, because life's too short for boring earbuds, right?